Hey there, welcome back to WP Sites with Natalie, YouTube channel where I empower your digital journey. Today I'm diving into WhatsApp latest productivity features for 2025, tools that can revolutionize your workflow. Let's get started. First up, multi-device support. Now WhatsApp allows you to link up to 4 devices, including tablets and desktops, without needing your phone to be online. Imagine responding to messages from your tablet while your phone charges in another room. Seamless connectivity at its best. Number 1, you open WhatsApp on your primary phone. If you are on an iPhone, go to Settings at the bottom right. Step number 2, tap on Link Devices. Step number 3, you link a new device. Tap on Link and if prompt, authenticate your phone security method by PIN, fingerprint or face recognition. Step number 4, on the device you want to link, open WhatsApp Web. QR code will appear and use your primary phone to scan this QR code. Repeat for additional devices. Number 2 is introducing message threads. This feature organizes replies into dedicated threads, making group chats more manageable and discussions easier to follow. This feature will also work within individual conversations. When you reply to a message, it creates a thread that stays connected to the original message even in a one-to-one chat. This is still in testing mode, and this means no more lost message in the chat abyss. Next up is the event planning feature. Planning events is now a breeze with WhatsApp Events creation feature. You can schedule meetings, set reminders, and track RSVPs, all within your chat. You open your individual or group chat, click on the plus icon, enter the event name, date, and time, and you can add additional details to make your event more informative. You give a description, a end time, and location, and finally you click on the click button. It's that simple. Next up is AI-powered smart replies. Leverage AI-powered smart replies to respond faster. WhatsApp suggests quick replies based on your conversation context, saving you time and effort. Efficiency at your fingertips. Number 5 is the chat filters. You manage your conversations better with advanced chat filters. Sort your chats by unread, groups, or personal to prioritize your response effectively. Focus on what matters most. Can't listen to a voice message? No problem. WhatsApp now offers voice message transcription, converting audio messages into text for quick reading. And this is perfect for meetings or noisy environments. Number 7, companion mode for iPad. Finally, companion mode is here for iPad users. Access your WhatsApp account on your iPad independently, enhancing multitasking and productivity. Expand your workspace effortlessly. These features are game changers for anyone looking to boost their productivity using WhatsApp. Which features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on optimizing your digital tools. Thanks for watching.